Remember what my parents said, Daniel? They don't want us doing cannonballs or splashing water everywhere.
I won't. Daniel, Ava, why are you doing cannonballs and splashing water all around the pool? I'm sorry. If it happens again, you both are getting out of the pool for the rest of the day.
But Dad, I didn't do anything.
Daniel, you almost got water on my new work laptop. You need to follow the rules and be respectful, buddy.
Not cool, Daniel. All my dad did was ask you to follow a few simple rules.
I said I was sorry.
Sadly, Daniel doesn't seem to be following the rules or being a good friend. He was told not to do cannonballs into the pool or to splash water around. He's done both of these things. Even worse, he doesn't seem to be taking Ava's dad or Ava seriously. How can Daniel show better pool manners and not lose the privilege of going into the pool?
Remember what my parents said, Daniel? They don't want us doing cannonballs or splashing water everywhere.
I won't. I really should follow the rules. As much as I want to do a cannonball, I'm a guest at Ava's house. She and her parents were nice enough to let me use their pool. I better do the right thing.
Nice dive, Daniel.
Thanks. Daniel, that was a great dive. Are you on the swim team at school? No. Maybe you should be. Wow! Your dad thinks I could be on the swim team at school.
He's always nice to my friends.
Hey, Ava, let's have a swim race.
Okay.
By following the pool rules, Daniel saw how much Ava and her dad appreciated it. If he continues to do this, he will get more opportunities to come over and swim. And who knows, he might just end up on the swim team after all.